In this 4-minute demo, we are going to take you through all of the tools of ConX and how best to use them for your purposes. If you know what you're looking for, there is a timestamp for each of the video components on this screen. Once you get your projects uploaded onto the screen, you can zoom in and zoom out by using the plus and minus up there on the top right hand corner. Next, you want to check that your scale is right. You can do this by selecting the length tool, clicking to start, and double clicking to finish the length. You will see that measurement appears in the measurements drawer on the left hand side there. You can also see that the measurement will follow the cursor as you drag. You can manually input the page scale here. By changing it after the measurements have done, it will alter the measurements on the page. By adding things to a group, you can add multiple shapes into the one folder. Simply click the tool you wish to use, hit the drop down menu, add group, or select the group you've already added. Once that group has been selected, you'll be able to add multiple shapes, giving you the total for that entire group. To get the area of shapes that are not symmetrical, you use the polygon. Click to start, click to drop a marker and change direction, and double click to finish. This will give you the area of that shape. For shapes that are symmetrical, the rectangle is your man. Click, drag and drop and you'll get the area of that shape. In the measurements drawer, you'll be able to rename all of your shapes here. By naming your shapes appropriately, it will make life a lot easier when you download your measurements to the quoting template. By pressing this green arrow next to the totals, you will be able to extend the measurements drawer to add additional fields such as height, width, depth and pitch. By selecting a group or shape on the canvas, you can duplicate it by hitting this copy button. Now, instead of having to redo the same measurements to get your square meters of walls, you can just duplicate skirting, name it walls, and add in your height to get your square meters. If you want more of the canvas to work with, you can collapse the measurements drawer and the side panel here. The count function works the same as the other tools. Simply select the count function, add a marker or one of the ones you already have input, and you can then drop your marker on the canvas to count any items you wish. If you need to remove some area, for example windows, you can use the Deductions tool. Simply select the tool, drag and drop it over the area you wish to remove, and as you will see, it will be removed from the subtotal of that group.